rain is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, dance with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! Amazing rainforest. You're right! I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bye. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bye. Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and down.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye. Whoa!
Huh?
This spider web looks amazing. You're right, Debo. Spider webs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah, I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
Debo, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape!
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye.
Au revoir.
Whoa, that bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, Debo. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea! Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and Debo. I'm Jody. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
Debo would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, Debo. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go! Nice birdie! Jody, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, Debo. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa! You use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jody. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jody find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, Debo.
Bye, Blippi and Debo. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jody. Bye, eggs. Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirm.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Look at that snowflake. Whoa. Whoa. I agree, Debo. Snowflakes are beautiful. I wonder, how is a snowflake made? You're right, Debo. We can go up into a cloud and find out. I'm going to need a grabber arm and wings.
Grabber arm, wings, confirm.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a snowflake is made. We're way up high, and the air is very cold.
Isn't it so chill? I'm Mimi. Welcome to my cloud.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. It looks like you're working hard.
You're right. I'm a small particle now, but soon I'll be a big snowflake. Can you pass me those big water vapor clouds? The water in the cloud freezes on me, and then I grow more crystals. One snowflake can contain as many as 100 ice crystals!
All of those ice crystals sure made you strong, Mimi.
Here! Yeah. Go catch, Debo. Now that I'm heavy enough, I can fall towards the ground. Follow me! Yay!
Mimi, each time water vapor sticks to you and becomes ice crystals, you get even bigger and more impressive.
Thanks!
You have 6 points, same as every other snowflake, but your own one-of-a-kind design.
Yep, no two snowflakes are alike. That means there's no one like me. That's why I'm called Mimi. A snowman. Perfect. I can land there with the rest of my squad. I did it! Stuck the landing.
Way to go, Mimi. And I have the answer to my question. How is a snowflake made? It starts as a particle in the air and collects ice crystals as it gets colder and colder, eventually forming a unique snowflake. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mimi.
Bye, Blippi.
It's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi Mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right, which means we have the answer to my question. Why my popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer, Tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Woo. Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again!
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs, that bouncy castle is out of this world. I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs. We can go to the moon and find out. I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs.
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore. The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up.
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here. I never knew I could have been having so much fun.
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity. It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer, Tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky.
Keep on bouncing, Blippi.
Whoa!